Alright guys, let's take a look at how to put together the Big Loads foam cannon and what comes inside the box. So, inside the box, we have the canister with all the little attachments inside. You have the top piece and the spout. So, first steps first is to determine what sort of pressure washer you have. So if you've got one that requires a 1/4 inch quick connect, likely this is going to come with the 1/4 inch quick connect already connected. Or if you've got a Karcher, you'll need this one. If you've got Stihl or Gurney, you'll need this one. And it also comes with the male-to-male connector. So first things first, if you have a Karcher or one of the other attachments other than the 1/4 inch quick connect, you're going to need a couple of extra little tools. So you're going to need an Allen key and a shifter. So what you want to do to change this piece here out is you want to take this part here off, so unscrew this off the head. And then you're going to take your Allen key and you're going to put it in this little hole right here. So you're going to get that in there, and then you're going to grab your shifter. And there's a little hex head on the end of this, and untwist like that. And that's how you loosen this off. You don't need pliers and you don't need Stillsons. You just put the Allen key in there and pop it out like that. Keep the Allen key in there because you're going to need to grab your male to male, and you're going to screw this in like so. Give that a little nip up. Take your Allen key out and connect that back into this top piece here. Screw that in all the way, give it a little nip up with your hand, and then take your desired piece, whether it's this or the Karcher, and just screw that onto the end there with your hand, and that's all you need to do for that. Give that a little nip, and now you want to take the spout that comes in the bottom. There's a little nipple in the bottom there, put the spout over top of the nipple, and then grab your canister, and there you go. And that's how you attach all the little pieces that come in the Big Loads foam cannon box